Flirting with danger, understanding risky behaviors. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, flirting with danger. This expression is a colorful way to describe someone's actions when they're getting too close to a risky or hazardous situation, potentially leading to harm. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, flirting with danger, combines two concepts. Flirting, which usually means showing attraction or interest in someone, and danger, which refers to the possibility of harm or injury. When put together, it metaphorically suggests that someone is teasing or provoking a risky situation, almost as if they're testing how close they can get to danger without actually getting hurt. It's a vivid way to describe recklessness or taking unnecessary risks. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Driving at high speeds on a slippery road is a classic case of flirting with danger. The driver is taking unnecessary risks that could lead to accidents. Ignoring safety warnings at a construction site can also be seen as flirting with danger, where the individual disregards clear risks. In a broader sense, engaging in extreme sports without proper preparation could be considered flirting with danger, as it involves a high risk of injury. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to incorporate flirting with danger into your conversations or writing. He was flirting with danger by ignoring the doctor's advice. Climbing the mountain without the right gear is like flirting with danger. She knew that trying to fix the electrical issue herself was flirting with danger, but she proceeded anyway. Understanding phrases like flirting with danger can add a layer of richness to your English communication, allowing you to describe complex situations with a simple yet powerful expression. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this intriguing phrase for you. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries, and we're here to explore it together. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.